Ya kini kejingelang berpedlong daga Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress lawan menishim benta dau Indian Youth Congress National In Charge Manish Sharma, UMP Ketura Usaleng Sangma, Presiden Berim jong Youth Congress Uzadit Sangma, Presiden ga Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Utim Jim Momin berkibai-kibai. Habai keren beginong patay kubor hadian balawai kejingelang Secretary jong Indian Youth Congress ubakmi ru ya kejela Meghalaya Usamrat Keshari Jena. Ulong ba kejing elang kalap lejing mod agaban pentlan ya keseng ba ikan nongrem jongka ban poish kisamla ba tam halor kejing sokya halor kejing kerdo kam ba kejing roy drugs. Ulong ba kejing elang kal shem ebon teli girai ba kelapan kre aru ikisen jam ki bagan shem na kebenta kini kilai benai banwan. Aga ba youth congress kan ra ikni kimat ki basokya ki bedai bat baro kisamla hakaleng ni kejela. Usamrat ulong bagi youth congress kan pensawajam me kesur jeng kisamla ki bamat ya kijing ki bakrown drugs but kam tam haba kidon bon teli ki kam ki balai teli ndre umjum tung kam satya kisamla ba katong jong kaseng kalong badai ban ai kam ai jam ki samla omman pen ngop iki ha kijing di penbuan u president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress utim jim momen ulakan tho aru ya menteri rangba u Conrad kongkal sangma bahap pedeng kijing sokya ki babun halor ki Jinglait tu ki Jingkylli jong ki examen NEET kabalak tajur kalawai jing samla pulia hakaleng kari ndrai Conrad kongkal sangma ulak pulam hakaban yang nak kebenta ke bahag kamiat jing samla pulia kejela bal ulah Jingsngap jar halor kene gamat kabalak ta iki hajar hut samla pulia ki bakwa benat pulia kalan medical hakaleng kari ulong bagiladon kumba ar hajar haduk lai hajar ngut samla pulia na Meghalaya kebalai kun ya kene ke examen ke bakongsan ndrai unong yalam jong kene kejela shimla kran halor kajing syakta ki samla pulia Secretary jong Indian Youth Congress bodu bakmi kejela Meghalaya Usamrat Keshari Jena ulong bagi sengsan pertai hakari kilap hai kemat haginong tap vote ki bedang samla karta kiblatip kum ki Gen Z Nega itu jingla jong ki ban penwandor ke sur jing ki patba ban pensapriang ya ki jing pensngau ne jing penpau bagi jingile banwan ra jingkala ka kamsan pertai ulong bagi samla menta kila penyi ya jinglong bagi kloy bane kun persya jingle bomhok bat ban penlong ru ya kinong lamsan pertai ban chime jingket kle bat kumta ki Gen Z indai ki benta ki bakrau ba ban pen kelai ke jinglong jingman haka kamsan pertai kari.
In that meeting, our national leader, national in charge, Shri Manish Sharma ji was here, and our MP Salemji is here, and our ex-PYC president, ex-minister Janit ji is also here, and our state president and other state executive member also here. The meeting's main purpose was that to strengthen the organization, to strengthen our thoughts, to reach with youths our ideology. And in this state we are facing job issues, we are facing drugs issues. So we just conduct the meeting and review our districts, our organization, and what is the next target in the states. Next 3 months proposed resolution was conducted.
Well, what is the next 3 months proposed?
The first thing is Youth Congress will be the main opposition of this government. We will raise our voice for the youths of Meghalaya, whoever facing any type of issues like drugs is a major problem in Meghalaya. Jobs, there is many vacant posts, but job is not given to the youths. So our main issues is Naukri do, nasha nahi. We will design that. We will youth connect. We'll go to the universities, go to the cafes, go to the parks where youths are available. We'll go to the last moment of the society to reach there, to reach their village, reach their city, reach their college, to our them. Main issues you can need. Right now you are seeing NEET. 6 students are hanged themselves. They are suicide. But this government, not a minister, not prime minister, tells anything about them. No one is also reaching their families. This is a bad concept. If you are failed to conduct the exam and after that the students are getting suicide, at least your courtesy is that your social moral should be there to go at least to his family. But our party is with them, and if in the next NEET, if anything is going wrong, then it will be a bad situation in the country. We will stand with the students and we will make whatever the possibilities to sack these ministers and this government.
As per the Meghalaya's perspective is concerned, we are very much sad to see that our Honorable Chief Minister has not even single out the one voice for the youth of the state. So we are so sorry to say that it's been like more than 2,000 to 3,000 students who has been appearing for the one of the prestigious exam, and who is going to be the future, one of the most capable future doctors of the state. So we are very much sorry to say that the head of the state, our chief minister, is being compromised and being deprived by the ideology and suppression of BJP.